In this question, we have to find final product of given sequential reaction. Now, when this molecule is treated with aqueous KOH, now OH negative will act as very strong base and abstract hydrogen from alcohol. So, alkoxide is formed. So, on reacting with water, reacting with aqueous KOH, it will form this molecule. Now, this O negative will act as nucleophile and this Cl act as leaving group. So intramolecular substitution reaction will take place and cyclization. After cyclization, ether is formed as a product. So CH2O, CH2 is formed as a product. Now if this molecule is treated with nitric acid and H2SO4, now nitration reaction will take place. Now these two CH2 are electron donating group. Now NO2 will be attached to orthopara directing of orthopara position of this CH2. Now ortho position is comparatively crowded, so electrophile NO2 positive will attach at para position. So final product of the reaction is this CH2O and NO2 at para position. So this is final product and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find which of the following statement is false when nitration of aromatic compound is done. Now in first case, the rate of nitration of benzene is almost same as that of hexadeotrobenzene. Now this is correct. If we have C6H6 and C6D6, rate of reaction is almost equal for both of the reactant because carbon hydrogen bond breaking or carbon deuterium bond breaking is involved in second step and second step is not RDS. So rate of reaction in both cases is almost equal. Next, the rate of nitration of toluene is greater than that of benzene. Now this statement is also correct. Now if we take benzene and toluene, toluene is having higher electron density than benzene and rate of electrophilic aromatic substitution depend on electron density on benzene ring. So statement 2 is also correct. Now the rate of nitration of benzene is greater than that of hexadeotrobenzene. Now this is incorrect because rate of reaction is same in both cases. Nitration is an electrophilic substitution reaction. This is also correct and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find role of nitric acid during nitration of benzene. So nitric acid and H2SO4 are used if benzene is treated with nitric acid in presence of H2SO4. So nitrobenzene is formed as the product. Now in this reaction, NO2 positive act as electrophile. NO2 positive is generated when nitric acid and H2SO4 both are taken. Now H2SO4 is strong acid and it will be dissociated to H positive and HSO4 negative. Now nitric acid, in this reaction nitric acid act as base. Nitric acid donate pair of electron to hydrogen and its protonation takes place. After protonation, now water molecule is released and NO2 positive electrophile is generated. So in this reaction, nitric acid is source of NO2 positive and in second step, nitric acid act as base because it is donating pair of electron. H2SO4 is donating H positive ion, so H2SO4 act as acid and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to identify which of the following reagent can be used for nitration of benzene. So if benzene is treated with nitric acid in presence of H2SO4, so nitrobenzene is formed as a product. Now in this reaction, NO2 positive act as electrophile and NO2 positive is generated when H2SO4 gets dissociated to give H positive and HSO4 negative. Now this H positive ion will protonate nitric acid, and after protonation oxonium ion is formed. Now water molecule is released, and now this NO2 positive act as electrophile and benzene ring will act as nucleophile. So when concentrated H2SO4 and concentrated nitric acid are taken, then nitration reaction takes place, and hence correct answer is B. Nitration of nitrobenzene is difficult that of toluene. This is because if we take benzene, toluene and nitrobenzene both molecule, now this molecule is toluene, and if NO2 is attached on benzene ring, now this molecule is nitrobenzene. Now CH3 is having plus I effect and plus H effect, and these both electronic effect will increase electron density and activate benzene ring. So these both are activating and ortho-para-directing. Now NO2 is present. Now NO2 is having very strong minus I effect and very strong minus M effect. They will decrease electron density, and hence they are deactivating benzene ring for electrophilic aromatic substitution. Electron density is decreased at ortho and para position, and hence now electrophile will attack at meta position. So this is meta directing. Now nitro group is electron donor. This is incorrect because nitro group is electron withdrawing group. Nitro group withdraw electron from the ring and thus deactivates the ring. Yes, this statement is correct. Now if we compare electron density on these two rings, now toluene is having higher electron density than nitrobenzene, hence toluene will be more reactive than nitrobenzene. Rate of electrophilic aromatic substitution, rate of electrophilic aromatic substitution depend on electron density on benzene ring. Electron density on benzene ring, and hence correct answer is B. In this question, we have to find when toluene is nitrated, which products are formed. So if toluene is taken, now toluene is having CH3 group, which is electron donating due to plus I effect and hyperconjugation effect. Due to hyperconjugation effect, now CH3 group donate electron to benzene ring, and hence electron density will be increased at ortho and para position. So toluene is having CH3 group, which is activating benzene ring, increasing electron density at benzene ring, particularly at ortho and para position. Hence toluene is ortho-para directing, and hence correct answer is D. In this question, we have to find which of the following species are formed when nitration and sulfonation reactions are done. Now, during nitration reaction, when benzene is treated with nitric acid in presence of H2SO4, nitrobenzene is formed as a product. Now in this reaction, H2SO4 act as a strong acid. It will donate H positive. Now nitric acid act as a base in this reaction in second step. Now nitric acid donate pair of electron to H positive and it will get protonated. After protonation, OH2 positive is formed. Now water is removed and NO2 positive is formed. This NO2 positive act as electrophile during nitration of benzene. Now when H2SO4 is taken, benzene on reacting with H2SO4 gives benzene sulfonic acid, and in this reaction SO3 act as electrophile. Now H2SO4 is a strong acid, it will dissociate to H positive and HSO4 negative. Now in this reaction self-protonation of H2SO4 takes place. Now second molecule of H2SO4 will act as base, and after autoprotolysis water is removed. Now S double bond O double bond O OH positive, water is removed. Now after removal of H positive it will give SO3. So in H2SO4 autoprotolysis takes place, and after autoprotolysis SO3 is formed which act as neutral electrophile, and hence correct answer is B, NO2 positive and SO3 act as electrophile, NO2 positive during nitration reaction and SO3 during sulfonation reaction. In this question we have to find which of the following is correct sequence for nitration of benzene. Now if we draw mechanism of nitration of benzene, now benzene act as nucleophile and NO2 positive act as electrophile. Now benzene donate pair of electron. During this step aromaticity of molecule is destroyed, and hence this step required maximum energy. This step is slow and RDS. In second step negative part or basic part abstract hydrogen, and again aromaticity is regenerated. So second step involve removal of H positive ion, which is comparatively fast. Now removal of hydrogen is involved in second step, which does not affect rate of reaction. So when C6H6 is taken or deuterated benzene C6D6 or C6T6 are taken, now breaking of carbon hydrogen bond does not affect rate of reaction. So rate of reaction is almost equal in all the cases, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find which of the following compound on nitration give only mononitro dimethylbenzene. So if first example is taken, now in this molecule after nitration we will get total 2 products. If nitro group is attached in these 2 positions, now the same product is formed, and if nitrogen NO2 group is attached at these 2 positions, then identical products are formed. So first will produce 2 dinitro product. Now in option B, if NO2 is attached at this carbon, then 1 product is formed. Now if NO2 is attached at these 2 carbon, then identical product is formed, and third product is formed when NO2 is attached at this carbon. So in this case total 3 products are formed. While in option C, if NO2 is attached at any of these positions, then we will get identical product, same product is obtained, and hence correct answer is C. If para-methoxytoluene is nitrated, the major product obtained is, now the para-nitrotoluene is having 2 electron donating group OCH3 and CH3. Now CH3 is donating electron due to plus I and plus H effect and increase electron density at ortho position and para position, but para position is already substituted. Now OCH3 will decrease electron density at its ortho position and para position is already substituted. Now both of these groups are increasing electron density, but OCH3 is increasing more electron density at its ortho position because it is having mesomeric effect, and mesomeric effect is stronger than hyperconjugation and inductive effect. So upcoming group will be directed by more electron donating group. So NO2 will be attached at meta position of OCH3 group, and hence correct answer is B. In this question, meta-nitroaniline is chlorinated and then we have to find the major product. Now if meta-nitroaniline is taken, in this molecule NH2 and NO2 both are present. NH2 is ortho-para-directing, NO2 is meta-directing. Now NH2 is having plus M effect on benzene ring, while NO2 is having minus M effect on benzene ring. It is having minus M effect and it is meta-directing. Now if ortho-para and meta-directing groups are present at meta position of each other, then upcoming electrophile is directed by more electron donating group and it will be attached at ortho position of ortho-para directing group. So since NH2 is more donating, so NH2 will decide position of upcoming electrophile and hence Cl will be attached at ortho position of NH2 group, and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find which of the following dibromobenzene on nitration gives 3 isomer. So if ortho dibromobenzene is taken, in case of ortho dibromobenzene we will get 2 products. If Br is attached at these 2 positions, then we will get 1 product. Now if Br is attached at these 2 positions, we will get identical product. So total 2 products are formed when ortho substituted dibromobenzene is taken. Now if meta substituted product is taken, now in case of meta dibromobenzene, now it will produce total 3 product, 1 from here, and if Br is attached at any of these 2 positions, we'll get second product, and if Br is attached at this position, then we'll get third product. Now if para-bromobenzene is taken, para-bromobenzene, now this molecule is taken. If both Br are attached at para position, now if NO2 is attached at any of these positions, we will get identical product, and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find in which of the following case NO2 will attack at meta position. So when electron withdrawing groups are present, then NO2 will attach to meta position. When electron donating groups are present, then group will be attached at ortho and para position. Now in first case, when CCl3 group is present, now CCl3 is having reverse hyperconjugation, and due to reverse hyperconjugation it will decrease electron density at ortho and para position. So electron density is unaffected at meta position, and upcoming group electrophile will be attached at meta position. Now in second case, when NO2 is present, now in this case NO2 is again having polar pi bond. It is electron withdrawing group, withdraw electron from benzene ring, decreases electron density at ortho para position. So again it will be meta directing, when NMe3 is present. Now NMe3 is strong electron withdrawing. NMe3 is again very strong electron withdrawing, and hence it will be again meta directing. In fourth case, when phenoxide ion is present, now phenoxide ion is having very strong plus M effect, so it will increase electron density at ortho and para position, so it will be ortho para directing and activating. So A, B and C are meta directing, while phenoxide ion, option given is D, is ortho para directing, and hence correct answer is 3. In this question we have to identify which of the following given carbocation is most stable. Now in first case, now this benzyl carbocation is having electron withdrawing NO2 group at para position. It will have very strong minus I and minus M effect, so it will destabilize carbocation. In second case, now this is benzyl carbocation. Here neither donating group nor withdrawing groups are present, so this may be taken as reference. In third case, Cl is present at para position. Now this Cl is having minus I effect and plus M effect, but its inductive effect is stronger than mesomeric effect, so it will be weak deactivating or weak withdrawing. In fourth case, when OCH3 group is present at para position, now OCH3 will be electron donating due to mesomeric effect, withdrawing due to minus I effect, but it is overall donating and it will stabilize carbocation. Any electron donating group stabilize carbocation. So fourth is most stable among given compound. Fourth, then 2, 3 and 1 is least stable, so most stable compound is fourth. In this question we have to find correct decreasing order of electrophilic substitution reaction for the given compound. Now in first molecule, chlorobenzene, benzene is directly attached with Cl. Now this Cl is having minus I effect and plus M effect, but inductive effect of halogen is stronger than mesomeric, hence it is overall electron withdrawing and it will deactivate benzene ring for electrophilic aromatic substitution. Now in second case, benzene is present. Benzene is taken as reference because neither electron donating nor electron withdrawing groups are present. In third case, now anilinium group is present on NH3 positive group is present on benzene ring. Now NH3 positive is very strong electron withdrawing due to minus I effect. It will not show minus M effect due to unavailability of vacant orbital, but it will have very strong minus I effect. In fourth case, toluene is taken and toluene is having CH3 group which will have plus I effect and plus H effect, so it will be overall electron donating due to inductive and hyperconjugation effect. So fourth is most active because electron donating group increases rate of electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. So fourth, then second, then 1 and third will be least reactive, hence correct sequence is 4, 2, 1, 3 and option C is correct. In this question we have to find final nitration product of the following given reaction. Now this molecule is having 2 benzene ring. Now nitrogen is having plus M effect on left ring, while carbonyl group is having minus M effect on rings present in right side. Now this ring is deactivated and this ring is activated. This ring is having plus M effect. Now this is having minus M effect. So electrophile will attack at that ring which is having higher electron density. So substitution takes place in that ring which is having nitrogen atom which is comparatively activated. Now nitrogen is ortho-para-directing, so upcoming electrophile will be attached either at ortho position or para position, but ortho position is already crowded, so upcoming electrophile will prefer to attack at para position because ortho position is comparatively crowded. So upcoming NO2 will be attached at this position, and hence correct answer is B.